How to see Instagram password while logged in. So as you can see right now, I am logged in on my Instagram. If you try to head over right here to your profile and if you try to retrieve your password in your settings, you can actually do that because that will breach the actual security of your Instagram. In order to see your password, you can head over right here to your Gmail, click in here on your profile icon, and then click on your Google account right here. Once you have done that, just scroll right here until you can see the security. Head over and click on that, then scroll to the very bottom until you can see this password manager. So if you actually save your password on your Google, you can head over and see it from here. Click on this manage password right here and in here you can see your Instagram. Head over and click on your Instagram right here and then just enter your screen lock. And then you can see in here your Instagram account. You can click on this eye icon in order to see your actual password and then enter it or change password it or do anything you want with it. So that's how you see Instagram password while logged in.